Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a machine learning model with Google Cloud AI. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console website. If you don't have a Google account, create one to access the console. Once logged in, click on the project drop-down at the top of the page. Select New Project to create a fresh workspace for your model. Enter a name for your project and click Create. After your project is set up, enable the required APIs. In the left menu, navigate to APIs and Services. Click on Library. Search for Cloud AI Platform and enable it. Next, go to the Vertex AI section in the side menu. Click on Datasets to start building your model. Select Create Dataset. Choose the type of model you want to build, such as tabular, image, or text. Upload your dataset by clicking on Import Data. Follow the prompts to ensure your data is formatted correctly. Once your data is uploaded, take a moment to review it. Next, click on Train New Model. Configure your training settings according to your needs. Select the model type and the specific algorithm you wish to use. Choose the training data you uploaded earlier. Define the target column for your model. Set additional parameters, like training duration and computing power required. Click Start Training to begin the process. Monitor the training progress through the console. Once training is complete, assess the model's performance metrics. Fine-tune your model by adjusting hyperparameters if necessary. Once satisfied, click on Deploy Model. Select the deployment settings that align with your application needs. Click Deploy to make your model available for use. After deployment, test the model with sample data to ensure it's working correctly. If there are any issues, revisit your training data or model settings. For production usage, consider setting up batch predictions or real-time inference. Once everything is in place, your model is ready for real-world applications. Explore additional features like monitoring and data visualization offered by Google Cloud AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.